Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is my vlog, but it's more like a memories of my trip to Lahore. जब भी लाहौर जाता हूँ, these are the quintessential which I do, and I crave in Germany when I go back home. I have to do that. So आप जो भी खाना, you are looking all the food. It's one of the best thing which I do normally in Lahore. So it's like I went with my friends and we had like all the craving which I have in Germany. I tried to finish it up there. So training and all these glimpses are like memories. So it's not like random. It's not like one whole structure, but more like random shots. So abhi aap dekh rahe hain, this is a Q cinema. It's a new one, so I never been there. So this is the first time I've been there, and it was really nice. And it's a very big cinema with a very aesthetic look, and the webs are awesome. So we watched a movie there, but it was really awesome. It's a really premium way to visit this cinema and watch movies. So we enjoyed a lot with my nieces. So there are some random pictures we took, and that night we went some desi food as well. So हमने जो है वहाँ पे after that हम थोड़ा सा inner Lahore चले गए थे, like interior, and we had golgappa because this is quintessential. So golgappa at night, we were having pan. This is also one of the best. And then this is called plaster buns, like it's more like a butter bun and eggs in it. So really nice one. And this is Rhea DHA. So this is vibes there in Lahore. I don't know, in DHA there is a place called Raya, and everyone goes there. I don't know why, but it's a very nice cool place to go around and move around, shop around, and there are lots of restaurants there. So I did this stupid thing, but you don't have to do it when we went to Raya, because the security guard won't like this. So anyways, so it was awesome. So there was a new mall as well called Dolmen Mall. So this is a very huge mall as well in DHA, and my friend took me there and it was nice. There was a very huge mall plus lots of shops and lots of food shops and food court as well. So we were trying to cover up as much as I can, and when I'm in Lahore. So मज़ेदार था कि I was trying to pick all those random memories together and उनको जोड़ रहा था, and it's always memorable visiting my hometown. So this is the one of the food places called Bamboos, and it was really nice. My friend introduced me. I think it's a must go there. It's really nice. Although I don't know how to use chopsticks there, but it was nice. But this is the quintessential as well. This kadai, this is mutton kadai and it's shanwari.